Keep watching if you want to learn how to make these amazingly beautiful seafood vol au vent any day of the week. Start by baking off the puff pastry shells and letting them cool. For the sauce, we're going to start by melting the butter in a large pan on medium-high heat, and once melted, add the flour and seasoning. Continue whisking until the flour and the butter comes together, creating the roux. Then, slowly add a little bit of milk at a time while continuously whisking until all the milk has been incorporated into the sauce. At this point, you'll have created a bechamel sauce. I like to add my freshly chopped dill and some finely chopped garlic. And then I'll keep cooking the sauce and stirring until it thickens up. Once the sauce is ready, add the scallops and the shrimp. And I also like to add a can of crab meat, and then stir it in the sauce and let it cook for about 5 minutes until the scallops are cooked. Once the seafood is ready, add in some freshly squeezed lemon juice and my frozen peas. This will cool down the sauce and thicken it up, so you want to make sure to bring it back up to a simmer. Use a knife to carefully open up the vol au vent. Remove the lid, and then you're ready to fill them up with the beautiful seafood filling. And just like that, you're ready to serve. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.